The feather board can actually just be placed down upon in the miter slots of your table saw or router table. So once you tighten these two knobs down, it just won't move. I think it's a little bit similar to some of the Incra type miter slot attachments you can get. When it's locked down, you can see here the chances of any kickback are pretty much eliminated, and it's to do with the added amount of pressure. I believe this has about 6 times the amount of pressure force that you put down onto the fence than conventional feather boards. And also, what a great addition to cutting rabbets or rebates here on the router table. This just makes life so easy. G'day guys, I was sent out this as a little bit of a reward, bonus reward for shopping at a place where I go quite frequently. This is a FeatherPro Feather Board. I've never used feather boards before. As you saw at the start, I normally use 2 push sticks, and that sort of has enough pressure on against the fence to do most of the cuts. But I have seen these around, and I thought I'd give it a try. And I'll tell you what, I am really surprised at the sheer amount of pressure. This has 5 times the increased amount of kickback safety, and it's supposed to have a resistance of up to 90 pounds, which is quite considerably much more than the 15 pounds that you get with the other plastic feather boards on the market. So this is fantastic. I'm actually going to use this quite a fair bit. So handy on the router table if you're cutting out some rabbits and you know, whatever you're doing. It's just going to assist and add that extra little bit of safety. So anything involved with, to do with the safety of what you do in your workshop, I vouch for, and I would recommend it. So I was really rapt to get this, and I thought I'd share it with you. So if this is the first time to Sumo's projects, go ahead and hit that subscribe and also the like button, and share the video. And until next time, happy woodworking, and I'll see you around. Hooroo.